Hi guys, a little 3D printed project, just a, well, kiddie's toy I think you could call it, a climbing bear. I've done something similar in the past. I think I used cardboard, can't remember now, but this one's 3D printed. Got a couple of holes, one in each hand. That bit is suspended from the ceiling, 2 bits of string, one from each hole going through each hand, and one in the middle to hold it up to the ceiling. It's an old design, D, November 26, 2016. Found it on Thingiverse, I think. There'll be a link in the video description to it if you want to make your own. What I've got to do is figure out some way of attaching it to the ceiling. There's a ring up there where I used to have a suction thing stuck to the ceiling for doing this sort of toy, but that's long gone. So I'll have to think of some other way of attaching it to the ceiling. Maybe just a bent paper clip like I've used for that. We'll see. Right, all set up. So all you do is one side then the other. And then when you take the pressure off, it comes back down again. And I should have tied a knot on the bottom to stop him dropping off. Right, I'll just sort that out and we'll have another go. Right, we'll do that again. I found a couple of wheels that I tied on the end of the strings to stop him dropping off the bottom. So, he's at the top. Release the strings, back down again. Release the string. Yeah. I'll put a link in the video description to the one that I did before that wasn't 3D printed. So you don't have to have a 3D printer to make one, but this one just looks nice. I thought it was fun. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.